This is Dabu7, and it looks like JPMorgan has been caught in the act, and the timing is everything here, of clearing the shorts, dumping the shorts at the bottom of this dip precisely. The numbers are there. You can check this all for yourself. And for people that are thinking, oh, there's no way a big bank would get caught manipulating the market, well, it's happened many times before. I've got one article up here just back, I believe it's 2020, where JP Morgan had to pay $920 million, almost $1 billion, because they were caught manipulating the precious metals market. They, of all people on the planet, they were able to execute within seconds. Within seconds, they caught the exact bottom of this dip to get rid of all the shorts. Silver was at one point $121. It dropped all the way down to $74. And then this is where they unload. And you can see it all right here on the graph. And there's paperwork. You can go to the site and you can see, just as you can see down here on this image, a little bit better, it lists the price where they executed, and it shows clearly that this was JP Morgan Chase that executed this and did this at this exact time in this window, which is unprecedented for that kind of timing. So they knew. And these are guys that have been busted in the past manipulating the market before. And here we have caught them unloading right at the bottom of all this. So you would have to wonder, if they're willing to do this, would they have set shorts at the top of this when they rode this whole thing down? Yeah, you're going to find that as well. And it seems like they don't care at this point, with the Epstein files getting dumped and Jamie Dimon's name getting pitched around there, talk of him retiring and all these other things. Interesting timing for sure, but this is big time right here. This dump was within a minute. I was watching this live when it all unfolded, and this lasted like seconds. It didn't last long at all, the bottom. And at the exact time they executed this. On December 2nd of 2025, U.S. banks altogether had 17,838 silver futures short. That's 89 million ounces. And at $121, that was $10 billion in short notational. So they ran this whole thing down. Stops got clipped, longs got liquidated, and they were able to make this major move. Now the market's about to open up. By the time some of you see this, it'll be opened back up. Seeming that they ran it down and they offloaded, it could extend a bit of a dead cat bounce from here. If others are going to see this as an opportunity to try to unload as well, you may see more down action. I mean, at this point, a top's been put in, and traditionally, bear markets last quite a long time. This may open up better buy windows for silver and gold. If it does, I'd take advantage, because they may not last long. And then again, when the market's open, this thing could run and go bananas. And we've got a lot of catching up to do in terms of Shanghai. I think they are literally almost double. They're trading at like double the price out there than what the American rigged paper market is trading at. So, again, JP Morgan busted in the mix here. I'll leave links. Join me for the live stream covering this Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 8 p.m. Eastern, right here on Dabu77. Much love, y'all.